39 Rossiter Street, Unit 3, is a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condominium on the top floor of a large 3-family home with fantastic curb appeal. The entire home was elegantly renovated and converted to condominiums in 2019, and it was very nicely done. The house is located in the Mount Bowden neighborhood of Dorchester, right around the corner from the Four Corners Geneva MBTA station, and just down the road from Franklin Park, the Franklin Park Zoo, and the William J. Devine Golf Course. This beautifully designed 1,068 square foot penthouse unit boasts a stunning chef's kitchen featuring white shaker-style soft-close cabinets, Calcutta quartz countertops with a custom tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a gas range with an overhead microwave oven, and a kitchen island with a large breakfast bar. Fun fact, amazing views of the Boston skyline from the primary bedroom. The sunny and open layout is ideal for entertaining, as the unit features a bright and airy huge living space with a soaring cathedral ceiling, recessed lighting, and skylights. The home also features central air conditioning, there's parking for 1 car in the paved driveway, and the common landscaped yard and patio area provide a lovely oasis in the city.